Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the daily chart of DXY, and as we all know that DXY is under heavy pressure. DXY is under the dominance of sellers right now. DXY closed at 102.18 and CPI data is playing a very big role. If you remember, then DXY started flying when the war between Russia and Ukraine broke out, and after that, okay, after a few months, inflation was the major issue. And around 2 months ago, when CPI data showed that inflation is somehow coming under control, then we saw a reversal on the XY around 2 months ago, and there was a pause on the up move of DXY. And since then DXY is under the dominance of sellers. DXY is under correction, and CPI data is playing a very big role. 102.18, this was the last red price of DXY. And to be honest, there is no proper support, immediate support on the chart of DXY US dollar currency index. So if market bounces, well and good. If DXY breaks 101.25 level, then the pressure, the fall will continue, and maybe DXY will be heading towards 100. So overall, the picture is not very bright, positive for DXY. Now let's have a look at the chart of Euro USD. But before I proceed with the chart, I would like to show you the Forex sentiment meter. What do we see here? Euro USD, and 80% retail traders have taken sell position and only 19% are on the buy side. Average selling price 1.0640, and right now Euro USD is standing at 1.0831, almost 200 pips, and this is the main reason why retail traders lose money in the market. So my dear friends, if you are still holding a sell position on the chart of gold, on the chart of Euro USD, please be careful. In case the upside continues, then please try to save your capital and try to exit from your sell positions. Okay, first of all, the daily chart of the Euro USD. So we can see that on the daily chart, okay, Euro USD has formed a hanging man kind of a pattern, and usually a hanging man on, especially on Euro USD, okay, on Euro USD signifies a downside. Euro USD lovers must know it very well that hanging man plays a special role on the chart of Euro USD. So there is a possibility that in the coming week we may see some correction on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, and DXY obviously will play a big role. So wait for the market to open and just observe the market opening. If you see market going up after the market opening, then you can consider taking a buy position above the previous high here. But just like the chart of gold, okay, taking a buy position at breakout can be a little bit riskier. So if possible, try to reduce the lot size that you usually take. Okay, but yes, in case market doesn't come for retracement and market goes for a breakout, you can consider taking a buy position, but try to reduce the lot size because it is not very safe. See, in an uptrend market, or whenever a market is an uptrend, taking a buy position at support is always a safer option. Yeah. And after the market opening, if we see market coming down, then your next support will be around 1.0720. Why we're considering this support? We are considering this support because of Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, as well as we have previous price rejection, previous support around this area. So 1.0720 is a good support if Euro USD comes down after the market opening, and in case market shows extreme selling pressure, high selling pressure, then observe the market around 1.0675. This is our second support on the chart of Euro USD. Okay, but if we overall observe the chart of euro dollar, we can see that market is an uptrend. There is no doubt, but market Okay, if you try to observe the market structure, then we can see that right now market is standing at the top. That it means that there should be a retracement, because no market in the world goes up in a straight line or goes down in a straight line. So there is a pending retracement on the chart of Euro USD. So it should come down for a big retracement, and if Euro USD shows a big retracement, then the trend line at the bottom should be the dynamic support. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Market opening will be important, so opening will tell us the next story. And my dear friends, because I have been getting so many requests for Hindi content, I have started a channel, School of Finance. I upload videos, okay, just before the US session, mostly during the European session, and I upload videos in this channel during the Asian session. So it will be beneficial for everyone. So you'll find a link in the description. So bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday, and please be careful. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. No trader is 100% accurate, so do not gamble. Bye bye.